Hi, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also press the bell button so that you never miss any update from me. Also do not forget to like, comment and share with your friends. So I have done this eye makeup with a white eyeliner. So I will be doing the same on this side. I have prepped my eyelids as you can see. Now I will be using today Morphe 35B palette. Okay, the colorful one. So I will be using the colors this light pink, then this dark peachy pink, and then this purple and blue. Okay, because it's a huge palette, it's a little difficult to handle and keep on showing you. So I have told you what are the colors I will be using. The lighter pink I will be using on the, you will see here on the crease, the darker pink on the lids, and as you can see in the corners it's just a triangle kind of thing, and that will be that I will be doing with that purple and the blue. So the light pink I have used on the crease. Okay, on the crease, and now I will be using a flat brush. Using this flat brush, this is from MAC 2393. Okay, and I will be using the darker pinky peachy color from here. I didn't do my base makeup today first because I know there will be fallouts. Right now on my nose I have my fallouts, so that's why I thought of starting with the eye makeup today. And also I've done my brows as you can see. Okay, now I'm taking the fluffy brush again and the lighter pink color to blend everything here. Okay. And now I will be taking a more precise brush and will be using that purple and blue color from my palette. Mix that two color and will only apply on the outer corner just like a wing, but in a triangle shape. We'll try to do a wing as well. I will extend it till here. Okay, just the way you can see I have extended it till here. I'm using this white eyeliner from NYX. Putting a lighter shade here, purplish little bit. Yeah, not purple, but yeah, it has got some blue undertone. I don't know what, I cannot describe the color. It looks little pink and also purple at the same time. So I'm using that on my inner corners. used this lipstick. This is from Sugar Smudge Me Not, and the number is 16, Bare Flare. This is the color. And now so this is all about this look. When I was recording in only t-shirt. I wore a sari right now and wanted to show you that you can change your look the way you want, either Western or Indian, with the same eye makeup. And yeah, that's it. I hope you will be liking it, and please do subscribe to my channel, and also give a big thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know how you like this look or not. And yeah, I will see you next in another video. And till then, stay happy, stay well, stay home, and stay safe. And do not forget the 3 L's of my life: live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh, make others laugh. Bye bye.